In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make hundreds of dollars every single day with CPA marketing, and I'm going to show you how to leverage the power of content lockers to start making passive income today. And also, if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online, and if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page right here where you can enroll for this course and start making money today. All right, so the first thing you want to do, you can use CPA Grip or you can use OG Ads if you like. I'm going to show you how to do everything on these two platforms. I'm going to show you how to use this free TikTok followers landing page to start making money. Okay, so now if you come over to this landing page right here, you can see the domain of this landing page is tiktokfree.github.io. And if you come over to this landing page and you type in your username right here, so if I type in my TikTok username right here, all right, so also make sure to follow me on TikTok if you're not already. Okay, so if I click on this, let's go right here. You can see it's going to start doing the whole hacking thing to generate followers for my account. And now you can see right here, I can select 5,000, 15,000 or 30,000 followers. So if I take 5,000 followers, all right, now you can see it says auto verification failed right here, manual verification required. Now, if I click on this verify right here, it's going to show me a content locker. And if I complete the content locker, the owner of the landing page is going to make money. So basically, I'm going to show you how to set up everything in this video. I'll be sharing the download link to this landing page in the description. Okay. So now once you have this landing page, I'm going to show you how to edit it on CPA Grip and on OG Ads. So now if you go over to your CPA Grip account, you want to make sure you come over to the content locker section. Okay, so once you come over to the content locker section, you want to click on create new right here, and you want to click on agree to terms of service, and you want to click on continue. So now basically once you click on that, you can see right here, all you just need to do is type in something simple like this: get free TikTok followers. So once you do that, you want to basically make sure you select this load method to unclick. Okay, so once you do that, then you want to go over to this website called freeplrdownloads.com. Basically, this website gives you free PLR ebooks that you can give away for absolutely free. So you want to come over to the search box right here and you want to type in TikTok and you want to click on search. As you can see right here, this is a free ebook that you can download right here, which is going to share 8 secrets to marketing on TikTok. Okay, so all you just need to do is click on this download right here and it's going to be downloaded to your device right away. So you want to head over to a website called mediafire.com and you want to upload the file you just downloaded from this website. So now once you do that, all you just need to do is copy the link to this file right here and you want to go back to your content locker. And once you do that, you want to come over to this advanced section right here and you want to change this unlock action to redirect to URL and you want to paste in the link right there. Okay, and you want to select the amount of leads that is required before they can have access to the content. Okay, all right, so once you're done, all you just need to do is go down here and click on save. So once you click on save, you want to come over to this section and you want to click on get code. You want to download this software right here. It's called VS Code. You want to type it on Google right here. You want to click on the first link and basically you can download the one for your respective device right here. So once you have that downloaded, you want to go back to the folder and all you just need to do is you want to click on this index.html file and you want to right click on it and you want to open with Visual Studio Code. And don't worry, I know this might look intimidating. All you just need to do is make 2 changes and you are good to go. First thing you are going to do is going back to your CPA Grip account. You want to copy this code right here. You want to click on this copy. So once you click on the copy, you want to go back to this page right here and you want to go over to this line 15. Okay, so once you come over to this line 15, you want to paste in the link right. You want to paste in the script right here. So once you paste in that script, you want to go back to CPA Grip again. You want to copy this script right here. So once you copy it, all you just need to do is go back to this code and you want to scroll down to line 76. Okay, so once you come to this line 76, you want to basically give a space between this verify right here and you want to paste in that code right there. Okay, so once you do that, as you can see right here, you want to give 1 space right here. Okay, and you want to also give another one space right here. Remember, it has to be line 76. Okay, so once you do that, all you just need to do is click on save right here. Okay, so once you click on save, now you want to go back to your landing page folder and you want to double click on this. So once you do that, as you can see right here, now we are accessing this landing page from our device. Now, if I go over the landing page, so if I type in my TikTok right here and I click on let's go, now I want to select 5,000 followers again. All right, now you can see it says auto verification failed. Now it says manual verification required. So now if I click on this verify right here, so basically it's going to show offers right here that they can complete. So if I click on this offer that says act now to get 750 PayPal gift card, all right, you can see that it brings me to this page right here. And if I select any of these answers right here, okay, you can see it's saying checking eligibility. Now all I just need to do is type in my name, my last name, my email, and once I do that, the person who created this landing page right here is going to make money, and this is going to depend on the amount of offers that you set on your landing page. And if you want to do this for OG Ads, all you just need to do is go over to the content locker section, and now all you just need to do is create a content locker, and you want to give your content locker a name, and also you want to copy this link right here, and then if you go back to your OG Ads account, you want to basically paste in the link right here. All right, so if you come over to this advanced section, you can basically choose the number of offers that you want the visitors to complete before they have access. So now the final thing you need to do is to make sure you want to change this from unload, you want to change this to JavaScript. Okay, so for OG Ads, you want to basically come to this line 76 right here. You want to make sure you paste in this code right here. Okay, the code you copied from OG Ads, this one right here. So once you copy the code, you want to make sure you type in on click, and you want to type in equal to right here. The final thing you want to do is to copy this script right here. So once you copy this script, you want to come back to line 15 and you want to paste in the script right there. So once you do that, all you just need to do is come over here to the file right here and you want to click on save. Okay, so once you do that, now you want to open the landing page again. So if I open this landing page again and I type in my TikTok username right here, if I click on this verify right here, you can see this is OG Ads content locker right here. All right, so basically now once the visitors complete any of the offer right here, they will be redirected to this link right here where they can download this ebook, which will actually help them to get real and legit followers on TikTok for absolutely free. So now to drive traffic, all you just need to do is come over to Twitter and you want to create an account that resonates with TikTok. You can see this one right here, TikTok Boost right here. Okay, so once you do that, all you just need to do is make a tweet by clicking on this tweet right here. And then you want to make a tweet similar to this one right here. As you can see, who needs followers on TikTok? Post your profile link below. So as you can see right here, you are not sharing any link right here, and a lot of people who are interested in getting followers on TikTok are going to be putting their link down in under this tweet right here. And all you just need to do is DM these people and you want to send them to this landing page right here. Okay, so I've already made a dedicated video on how to host this landing page on GitHub for absolutely free right here. You want to send them a DM with this link. Okay, so once you send them a DM, they'll be taken to this page right here, and if they complete the offer, they will be redirected to download an actual ebook that will help them to get real followers. And also you can come over to YouTube and type in how to get free followers on TikTok, and you want to filter to this week. So you are going to see a lot of people who are making video about TikTok right here. And basically you want to go in the comments and you want to recommend they check out this landing page right here where they can get TikTok followers. All right, so basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value in this video, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.